Hello everyone and welcome back to Ajastro Money Guru. I'm Neena and today we're diving into some crucial updates from the world of commodities, specifically focusing on the latest US soybean export data. We've seen a significant shift in the US soybean market, with export sales taking a notable hit in the week ending May 22, 2025. Demand appears to be softening from key international buyers, leading to a sharp decline in sales. Looking at the numbers, net sales for the 2024-25 marketing year plummeted by 53% week-over-week, reaching just 146,000 metric tons. This is a substantial drop, 58% below the 4-week average, indicating a clear slowdown. So who were the primary buyers this past week? Mexico led the way with 52,200 metric tons, followed by Indonesia at 27,400 metric tons, and Japan with 18,700 metric tons. We also saw some purchases from unknown destinations and Vietnam. Interestingly, there was a minor reduction in purchases from China. Now, looking ahead, sales for the upcoming 2025-26 marketing year totaled 32,800 metric tons, with Mexico once again being a significant buyer, accounting for 30,300 metric tons, and Indonesia picking up the remaining 2,500 metric tons. When it comes to shipments, we saw a marketing year low with only 209,300 metric tons shipped. This is down 17% from the previous week and a substantial 45% below the 4-week average. The main destinations for these exports included Egypt, Mexico, Taiwan, Indonesia, and Japan. Finally, outstanding exports for their own accounts stood at 2,700 metric tons, allocated to Taiwan, Bangladesh, and Malaysia. This data paints a clear picture of weakening demand in the US soybean export market. We'll continue to monitor these trends closely and bring you the latest analysis right here on Ajastro Money Guru. That's all for today's update. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more advanced analysis and timely updates on various commodities. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
सोनाक्षी की रसोई में आज की स्पेशल गेस्ट है मौसमी चैटर्जी जी।
ये जी नहीं, मौसमी आंटी।
ओके आंटी मौसमी, तो आज आप क्या बनाएंगी?
मैं क्यों बनाऊं? मैं तो गेस्ट हूँ। आप बनाओ, हम खाएंगे। एक्टिंग में तो हिट हो। अब खाना बनाओ सुपर हिट।
ठाट से बनाऊंगी खाना, है ना द बेस्ट एवरीडे मसाला। आओ बनाते हैं मसालेदार छोले।
छोले
हर रोज के करी में एवरीडे मसाले, शाही बिरयानी में स्वाद का जायका।
पटल पोस्तो और सर्षे इलिश भापा। साफ मसाले, खुशबू और प्योर झांझ, टेस्ट से भर दे हर जुबान पे स्वाद।
एवरीडे मसाले, देश का स्वाद।